Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I am Yasir Hussain from Pakistan Studies Department, Army Public School and College, Ordnance Road, Rawalpindi, with lecture number 4. Dear students, this will be our last lecture regarding first chapter, that is the ideological basis of Pakistan. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about that of the exercise, which contains the objective questions, short questions, and long questions as well. We also have a recap of the whole chapter so that you will understand the topics properly. So here we are going to start with a recap of the chapter. First of all, we have discussed about the meaning of ideology, its sources and significance. Then we discussed about that of the meaning and definition of Pakistan ideology, which is based on the Islamic ideology. So that's why the basis of the ideology of Pakistan were also discussed, in which we have discussed about the beliefs and prayers, till then that of the duties and responsibilities as well. Then we discussed about that of the economic deprivations or the economic conditions of the Muslims of India before partition, that is after 1857 War of Freedom. Then we have discussed about the origin and evolution of the two-nation theory, which is based on the concept of two nations which were living in the subcontinent, that is the Muslims and Hindus. Regarding this, we also have discussed about the opinion and the role of great leaders like Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, then Chaudhry Rahmat Ali, who coined the name Pakistan, then the great poet and thinker Allama Iqbal, and then the great leader Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, and their role regarding the two-nation theory and the ideology of Pakistan. Dear students, now straight away we are going to start that of the exercise. I will let you know how to solve it. You will have to look at this page and don't copy from here. First you will have to attempt on yourselves. Just read the passages in the text. You will find the answers over here. The first question of the objective in the exercise is that of the MCQs. For example, the first one is that when did Hindi-Urdu controversy start? 4 options were given over here: A, B, C and D. You will have to choose the correct option. Here the others are also given over here. You will have to check page number 15 of your book. Then on page number 16 it continues. All are the MCQs given over here. You will have to choose the correct answer. The answers are also given over here, but you will have to try yourself as well. Then on page number 17, question number 2. This question is match the columns, column A and column B. Remember students that in board exams only MCQs will come. I have given in the first lecture the pattern of the paper. You will have to follow that, but in book for the purpose of preparation these questions are also given. You will have to attempt these but these will not come in the exams. So over here, match the columns question. You can see over here you will have to match column A with column B. Relevant answers you will have to find. Then question number 3 regarding the fill in the blanks. You will have to read the passage and find the answers by yourselves. The fill in the blanks will also not the part of the paper, but any sentence may come in the form of MCQs in the exams. That's why it is very important. That's it for the objective portion. Then part 2, over here you can see question number 4 on page number 17. There starts the short question answers. If you remember, students, in all the previous 3 lectures I have given you the tasks. Those tasks actually included these short questions I have already given to you, but here I will let you know the answers on different pages. First one is that of the first short question over here on question number 4, page number 17. That is, what is meant by Tawheed? Its answer you can find on textbook page number 5 under the heading Beliefs and Prayers, paragraph number 3. Dear students, question number 2 is write the translation of Inna Allaha ala kulli shay'in qadir. This question's answer you can find on page number 5. Then question number 3, what do you mean by the faith in prophethood? Its answer will also you can find on page number 5, last paragraph. Then question number 4, that is, what is meant by ideology of Pakistan? Its answer you can find on page number 3, second last paragraph, under the heading the meaning of ideology of Pakistan. Then question number 5, while inaugurating the State Bank, what did Quaid-e-Azam say? Its answer you can find on page number 15, the last paragraph. Then question number 6, that is, what did Allama Iqbal say about the foundation of Muslim Millat? Its answer you can find on page number 12, last paragraph. Then question number 7, that is, what is the saying of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam about brotherhood? You can find its answer on page number 7, last paragraph. Then question number 8, that is, what did Quaid-e-Azam say about nationalism? Its answer you can find on page number 15, the first paragraph. Then question number 9, what is meant by two-nation theory in the historical perspective of the subcontinent? Its answer you can find on page number 10, last paragraph to page number 10, the second line. Till the second line you will have to write the answer of this question. Then question number 10, what did Quaid-e-Azam say about the security of the minorities? You can find its answer on page number 15, second paragraph. Question number 11, what did Allama Iqbal mention in his famous Allahabad address? Its answer you can find on page number 12 in the first paragraph. Question number 12, what is meant by ideology? You can find its answer on page number 2, the very first paragraph. Last but not the least of the short questions is question 13, when did Chaudhry Rahmat Ali propose the word Pakistan? Its answer you can find on page number 10 and 11 of the textbook. On 10 you can find it on last paragraph, and 2 lines on page number 11. The first 2 lines you can say. Dear students, now I will let you know about the answers of the long questions. The long questions are starting from question number 5. Question number 5 is over here. Evaluate the Islamic values that are the basis of the ideology of Pakistan. These questions answer you can find on page number 5 to 8. From page number 5 to 8. Then question number 6, that is elaborate the ideology of Pakistan in the light of the pronouncements of Quaid-e-Azam. Its answer will be from page number 13 to page number 15. From 13 to 15 page number of textbook. Then question number 7, describe the ideology of Pakistan in the light of the pronouncements of Allama Muhammad Iqbal. Its answer you can find on page number 11 to page number 13. Then question number 8, explain two-nation theory. Its answer you can find on page number 9, page number 9 to 11. In this you will have to mention the role of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, Chaudhry Rahmat Ali, Allama Iqbal, and that of the great leader Quaid-e-Azam, Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Then question number 9, it has 2 parts. Part A, the economic condition of the Muslims in India before partition. Its answer is on textbook page number 8 and 9. 8 to 9. There are points, actually 5 points you can find. Then B part. B part is regarding the origin of ideology and its significance. Origin of ideology and its significance. It has 2 parts, and this question's answer you can find on page number 2 and 3. Origin of ideology as the sources of ideology, and then the significance of ideology on that page. That's it for the long questions. Dear students, now I am going to share here with you the pages of the book so that you can find the answers easily and properly. It's page number 1, page number 2, 3, 4, 5 page number, 6, then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, it's 14. This is the 15th page, last page. So 1 to 15 pages you can find the answers in the text, then the exercise ones. So you will have to check these pages in order to find the answers. Dear students, as you know, the chapter is now completed. So here is the last task for this chapter, that you will have to solve the objectives in the textbook I have given you earlier. Then do complete the short questions in the notebooks. Then the long question number 5, question number 8 and 9 you will have to write in your notebooks. I will check these questions answers when the school will reopen, inshallah. Dear students, thank you very much. With this we come to an end of the chapter number 1 and lecture number 4. For any queries you can ask me in the group, and you are always welcome. Best of luck, best wishes. Allah Hafiz.